In ophthalmology, delivering great care goes far beyond the procedure itself. While your surgery will proceed exactly as planned, your patient will forget up to 80% of information they're told after 24 hours, leaving them with ongoing concerns. The result? Uncertainty, anxiety, and overwhelming questions, creating a far heavier burden on your clinical team.
Our solution? Meet eyejourney, the personalised AI-powered patient education platform for clear, consistent ophthalmic care. Customizable patient journeys guide patients step by step before, during, and after care. eyejourney uses AI-generated video to personalise ophthalmic patient education. We create a digital avatar for each surgeon and provide pre-built templates to deliver tailored educational videos, ensuring clarity and continuity without added chair time. You can blend seamlessly with your clinic's identity, managed through a beautifully simple dashboard. eyejourney streamlines communication, lifts the administrative load, increases capacity, and supports better outcomes. For patients, it feels like having a friendly, knowledgeable guide by their side, from the first question to full recovery. The impact? Patients understand more. Anxiety drops by up to 60%. Treatment adherence improves, and unnecessary calls and visits fall by almost half. This creates a calmer clinic, smoother surgeries, happier patients, and more time to care. eyejourney, designed for patient education, built to reduce clinic workload.